But also, it gives us an opportunity to practice performance that we've been doing on the ground specifically. Then see if when we at this point, in our way of editing, attending, we are going to ask you now to do what was going to do if you were not there and you are supposed to introduce these members of the meeting. To then give a background to the media and make a harmonious arrangement to ensure that you then take the morning tour and do all the discussion.
I'm quite delighted to see you colleagues here. In spite of the short notice, we've managed to gather here. We want to discuss issues that are pertinent to national development. I would have wanted to have my colleagues from the Midland State University main campus if we had time, but I'll introduce to you the few that are with me here, who are the main line managers who are working with me here. My name is Mkwende, I'm the Director of Enterprises, and with me here I have Mr. Chisa. Mr. Chisa here is a chemical technologist who is the production manager around. We have Mr. Machacha, who is the clothing and textiles manager. These are some of the line managers that are with me today. But what I'm going to say, colleagues, is precisely what I briefed HE on the 20th of November on the event of our graduation ceremony. Mr. Moyo here with me. We have worked together always. And I want to impress on you, Mr. Moyo, that we were talking about the printing of COVID booklets. Right now, as we speak, I'm happy to tell you that we have started printing the NGS1 document. full-fledged pass-through and see the preliminary work that we have done so far within our Printing and Publications Department. Coming back to this unit, this is a wholly owned MSU project. This is a department which is called Enterprises and is wholly owned by Midland State University. So on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, Midland State University, I am happy to present to you precisely, as I said, what I told the President, and we have several projects that are running here. First and foremost, what Mr. Moyo alluded to, we decided through our research team to find ways of making sure that we save the so needed foreign currency by coming up with a model that can replace the bitumen tar that we are replacing in South Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, you find we actually prepared a sample just around here where the sky is parked. This is a sample that we put in place in preparation for the coming in of the HE, and we showed him we have a patent on that one. Most important to note on that is we have a replacement which is going to see the nation make significant savings. Savings in terms of foreign currency, savings again, most importantly in the sense that the raw materials that are going to be used in constructing the tar are locally available. You find we have simple raw materials that is available all around in Zimbabwe. But the most important gradient along the
Hello, don't give people tickets for lunch.
in Shalane. So we are saying, if you took together those two, they've been tested and patented to an extent that they can replace the tar that we are using outside. And in so doing, we will save a lot of revenue, a lot of foreign currency. The second project, ladies and gentlemen, that I would want to show you as we move around is the chemical manufacturing unit, which is that shell that you see, the big shell, that one. The chemical manufacturing unit was constructed there primarily to make sure that we produce, first and foremost, after the advent of this pandemic, the COVID pandemic, we started producing sanitizers. We started producing disinfectants that are used in schools. As I speak, we issued out quite substantial quantities of these that I'm talking about through NATFAM to schools in the Midlands and the nation. We are also producing hand wash from the same, and it is the university's wish in the near future to include, among other things, water bottling processes. We also want to go into the mining industry and make sure that we provide those chemicals that are required in our mining industry. We would also want in the near future to make sure that we produce chemicals, agrochemicals that are used in the right. As I speak, when I was in town, I was trying to look for some chemicals, so we are saying, when are the days when we will continue to say that we import all these things? The ivory tourism that used to exist within universities, according to His Excellency, should end. And in response to that, as the line managers, the food soldiers, the universities and the staff, we are trying to make sure that we fit precisely into the vision of the new dispensation. How? By precisely making sure that we produce everything that is required by the nation locally. So this is in response to education 5.0 phenomenon that we are saying. In the past, we used to talk about, as a lecturer, I have been a lecturer for 25 years in this country. We used to know that my job is to teach. Yes, research and community service. But we are saying that after teaching, now we must make sure that the products of our teaching is shown by way of action. So this is precisely what we are doing. If you look at the transitional stabilization program, that is precisely a success story that is obtained. We think we will make sure that this nation tell you that because I was introducing Mr. Majetu, we are also in the business
Hello,
of
good
producing
afternoon.
PPEs. Besides
Back, your
PPEs,
attention. Can we stop pushing out the
those wetsuits
I'm a
overalls,
little bit
and about
disappointed.
the masks that we have
We
seen
go
in
there,
Sweden as we are going to tour.
We have been invited,
This is another area
we
that
made
we
an
think
arrangement
come
to tour,
in handy. As I speak with the
and then we are
people,
offered to know, see what is here, and then after that we proceed to the details and see it. And everyone is here.
they are buying overalls and so forth.
Then we
And
go out of that.
we
some
are
of
finding
you
it quite okay
start
that
to
we are not
do
importing
interviews.
these products.
obviously derailing the whole
Besides
program.
that,
Other people that are outside
that shell, just
keep on
close to that
waiting,
there is a
one
shell
that
that is under
continue doing
construction.
interviews. And how many
according to
media
plan,
outside, everyone wants their own
that
exclusive interview.
come July when we
That
are going to
how-
have our second graduation,
Partnerships and collaboration is affected. With a pillar, which is
we will have
important in
completed
our
that shell, and in that
So as a
shell,
consequence,
we want
rain started to beat,
produce
people jumping in the buses.
pharmaceutical products.
But also the secretariat
We
officers
want
that are supposed to
pharmaceutical
assist,
products
they don't help.
from
Instead of just
indigenous
holding the buses and
research
making
has
sure we go
already
in
been
one direction,
conducted,
people move
which
back
will
to
make
the hotel.
sure
The
that
gate
we
here,
no
this is
longer
locked.
go to
People
India.
get tickets,
We
they are
have
already
known
pushing food.
people talking
But
about
we are
when I was
in
I'm an IT person myself, when I was teaching my students, I've always told them, when are the
That's
days when we
where-
should talk about
But the one I know
going
is
to
good
India
stuff.
look for systems.
It's got elements of,
You see all these funny names that are
here and there. So it happens.
by fellow
So I forgive you completely 100% and I forgive myself for not being firm with those that were doing it.
people talk.
So it was my fault
vibrant
for
system
allowing
that was
you
produced locally
to
by
continue
all
to
the
do
that I
exclusive
taught,
interviews.
which is Chagamira, that is running the whole university, and it is
So
proliferating.
what we are going to do is, unfortunately, we can no longer
where we are
proceed
using
to
the same. So
the
the same
printing press.
principle
I
is
think
supposed
it's
to apply in the
good
next
stories from the
few
brief
months or
that
so, where we are
had.
saying
But what I want to
we
do
are
is to
the
give you the opportunity to address your good to take the podium and you will hear questions from the house and then you address them and questions.
I used to wonder, why do we get coverage? See, nice, kind of 80 or 82. It means that we getting a team related to farmers. So,
right. Colleagues, this is the chemical manufacturing unit that I was talking about. Here we have, if you look at my left there, that is the sanitizer plant that we have installed. This is where we are producing all the products that are behind you. If you look at the sizes and packages of sanitizers, they are being manufactured by that plant. The second line that I was talking about is the hand one. You find that as we finish, we are in the process of installing a similar plant like that one. Currently, we are doing it manually on that one. So these are the lines that we are doing here in the chemical manufacturing plant so far. So from here, unless you have questions, we have to move to the clothing and textile division.
I suggest we will just ask once when we finish, if there's some time.
That's okay.
Let's
So
go to the
move very
textile
quickly to the
section.
textile section.
That's a great one. An example of how people was created. Students at the university, they want to create a setting for a lot of their studies. And that's something they drop out of school and don't think they are broken. And become students outside. So if there is such a thing, that can also
Right. Colleagues, this is the chemical manufacturing unit that I was talking about.
this one, one question, not one minute, yeah.
What was the garage? Look, I'm going to one. Yes, look at me. Yeah? Yes, thank you very much. Let's put our masks on and we just try to. The place is small, but yes.
Right, again, ladies and gentlemen, this is our clothing and textiles division, where, as I said, we are producing various types of PPEs for the nation. But most importantly, you find that our own universities justification enough for establishing this, because already within the university we have various departments that require protective clothing. So going out, of course, we are having customers from various companies like Bata around and so forth, but this is where we are doing all these things. It is our intention to increase the number of machines here to 60. Currently we have 35 that are running. We want to push some more here so that they be 60, because the orders that are coming in are just huge. So this is another shell.
Thank you very much. So it's unfortunate because this the setting is it's a production room, so there is not much space. But basically, they've got 35 pieces of sewing machines, industrial, that are already in use here. The intention is to produce more. Their market is quite huge, including servicing the university protective equipment requirements, but also they are getting a lot that is coming out from around the country. So there's also potential and scope for growth in this direction.
If they say it's yeah.
So what we can see is that those universities that have not yet taken, that have not been fast enough to take the initiative, are actually now benefiting. So they will also then, hopefully, they will also produce their own enterprise department.
Anenge angopera ikoko munango zisikangu natora wakudzosera iwe ndiri manini